Hey guys, this is Jimmy from DigiAvant. Finally, Intel announced a brand new 9th Gen mobile CPU for the laptop on April 23rd. In case you miss it, we summarize the key features and give you these 60-second updates. First, let's talk about i5. Updates. Frequency increase. We're expecting 5% performance boost compared to last year's model. Then comes the i7. Updates. 30% cache increase and frequency increase. We're expecting 15% performance boost compared to last year's model. Finally, the whopping i9. This year we get 8 cores instead of 6 cores, 30% cache increase as well as frequency increase. We are expecting 10% performance boost compared to last year's model. However, bear in mind the 45 watt TDP limits that you need a cool design to get that performance.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thumbs if you like it, subscribe our channel, and I'll catch you in the next time.